So I want to take a look at a problem that actually comes from our pre-algebra course and look at it the way we would like to see it here in Math 107. So here's the problem that we saw in the pre-algebra course, and basically it has to do with the fact that we're discounting, removing a fraction, and then doing it again. So here's how we usually see this in the Math 60 course. And here's how, if you took this course with Alex, this is how Alex showed you how to do this problem. It says in the first half of the race, 1/3 of the runners dropped out. So we need to take 1/3 of them. So that's 1/3 of 75. 1/3 times 75 is 25. So that means we have to figure out how many runners remained. So the number of remaining runners is then 75 minus 25, or 50. And then 2/5 of the remaining runners dropped out after that. So that would be 20, and 50 minus 20 equals 30. Now, that's certainly one way to do the problem. But the way we want to see this problem isn't that we're going to do a whole lot of subtracting. I want to see this problem in a different way. So what I'm going to do is say in the first half of the race, 1/3 of the runners dropped out. So we started with all of the runners. We're going to take away 1/3. That means we're going to be left with 2/3. So 2/3 of the runners is what we had after the first half of the race. And then 2/5 of the remaining runners dropped out. So we're going to subtract that from 1. And in the end, what we're looking for is what is 3/5 of 2/3 of 75. Well, that's 30. It gives us the same result, but it means we're only going to multiply at the end of the problem. That's how we want to see this when we look at this with percentages and stacked discounts.